Hi everyone, my name is Madeline Sane and I'm the County Extension Agent for Presidio County. Thank you so much for joining me today. So we are going to start our science week today, and Monday is Loco lava lamp. So for this activity you will need water bottle, food coloring, vegetable oil, and Alka-Seltzer tablets. And you'll also need a little bit of water too. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is fill up your water bottle with vegetable oil. I highly recommend doing this over the sink. Okay, so I went ahead and I filled up my water bottle with vegetable oil, and I filled it up about 3/4 of the way. So I'm going to fill up the rest of my water bottle with water. And depending on how big your water bottle is will depend on how much vegetable oil you need. And you can even fill it up halfway. It's really up to you. Okay, so I filled up my water bottle the rest of the way with water. So take a look at your water bottle real quick and notice where your water is. It's at the bottom of the bottle. So take a moment and think about why the water's at the bottom of the bottle. We'll address that later. Now we're going to add our food coloring. What color will you choose? Now very carefully open your bottle and add some food coloring to it. I chose blue. Blue is my favorite color. Ooh, pretty. And if you want, you can even mix colors together. Okay, now that our food coloring is mixed in, notice where the color's at. Interesting. Now here comes the fun part. So now we're going to unscrew our water bottle again, and we're going to put our Alka-Seltzer tablet into our water. So what I've done here is I've broken up my Alka-Seltzer tablet into smaller pieces that I can fit in the water bottle. Look, isn't that so neat? Okay, so let's go over the science behind the lava lamp. So I asked you earlier why the water was sinking to the bottom. Does anyone know why? Go ahead and comment below on this video why you think the water sinks below. So the reason why the water is sinking below the oil, as you can see here, this is where the water is, where the blue is because the water is more dense than the oil. So think about water. We mostly think that water is really lightweight, right? Well, water is actually a little bit heavier than oil. So when you mix them together, water sinks below oil, and that's why they don't mix. So water, the molecules inside water are so tightly packed that they make it heavier. Isn't that so interesting? Also, another fun fact about why water and oil don't mix is the polarity. So does anyone know what polarity means? So polarity is the direction of the poles. So think about it as like magnets. So you have a positive side of a magnet and a negative side of a magnet. So now the water in this water bottle is polar. So what do you think that means? That means that the water, here I'll show you my little drawing. So water is made of 2 hydrogen molecules and 1 oxygen molecule. When the 2 hydrogen molecules and oxygen molecule come together, the 2 hydrogens are positive and the oxygen is negative. So think about it as like a magnet. When opposites attract, the magnet comes together. However, the oil is nonpolar. So if the oil doesn't have the ability to be positively or negatively charged, then the water has nothing to attach to, much like a magnet. So when you put 2 sides together that are the same of a magnet, they don't go together, right? But when you link a positive side of a magnet to a negative side, they come together. But with oil, there is no polarity in the oil, so it can't attach to the water molecules. Super interesting, right? Isn't science so fun? Okay, if you notice that your water and your lava lamp is no longer bubbling, all you have to do is open it up and break another Alka-Seltzer tablet. There it goes. Thank you so much for joining me today as we covered how to make the Loco lava lamp. I really hope y'all had fun and enjoyed it, and think about some of the things that I said about the polarity and the density. And I'll link a cool little infographic down below. Thanks so much, and y'all have a great day. Bye.